This is Rachel. She's an amazing artist and designer and works hours on end, but can't seem to connect with her colleagues and clients because of her introverted ways and fear of public speaking. This is Marcus. He grew up in an inner city and hopes to one day become an architect. Unfortunately, the only architects he's met are in movies. Without one-on-one mentorship, Marcus is struggling with creating his portfolio for architecture school admissions. This is Eric. He makes amazing renderings with a computer, but can't figure out how to speed sketch to get his point across quickly in client meetings. You see, the problem that Rachel, Eric, and Marcus face is they all unwillingly lack the skills that are holding them back as a creative. That's why we created Design Life Smart, a virtual design school to help creatives learn and earn in the modern era. No more outdated textbooks or learning methods of the past. Design Life Smart allows creatives to learn relevant, high-income generating skills with ebooks, courses, and membership groups. Remember, we're all designers of our lives. We just need the right blueprints. Learn more about Design Life Smart today.